The cone is what
physically pushes the air, guided by the attached
voice coil.
The invisible waves caused by the cone pushing the air is what we perceive as sound with our ears. The spider provides spring tension, allowing the moving parts to align in a centered position. The voice coil has electrical current running through it, which reacts to the magnet and creates force as a linear motor. As the electrical current changes along with the sound waveform, it is converted into the waves of air that we hear using
these simple parts.